Hi viewers, Samanath Small Step Studio channel. So before going to this today's video, today's tidbit, a loser is not undercapitalized. His mind is underdeveloped. A loser can destroy a big account almost as quickly as a small one. So many traders feel that to make a success, to win in the market, we need a lot of money. So the problem is money is not the problem. The problem is the trader is underdeveloped by his skills, by his psychology, by his discipline. So that one have to develop. So that's what the author saying, it is underdeveloped. So if he is in the underdeveloped state, whatever the amount, whether it is 10,000 rupees or 10,000 crore, he will destroy. So the problem is expertise, psychology and discipline. So that one have to cultivate. So that way they have to develop. So if that has done, definitely everyone, you and me, also make a success. Wish all the best. Now we go to the video. So before that, disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. So only that make you a good trader and a good investor in long run. Now we'll go to the video. So this shows features and options, expiry date of gold, gold mini, silver mini and crude natural gas. So we'll go to the chart. So for a commodity trader, the track of US dollar index is very much essential. So that we first see the US dollar index. So the right side, what you are saying is 4 hours chart. So if you see that it properly respecting the channel so far, and it now reach the resistance, but it has to turn down. But we can sometimes we cannot exactly turn down immediately after the resistance. So maybe it took little bit a break, or it may in the upside turn. That also there. So for that, to confirmation that we have to see the day chart. So if we see the day chart, so it is still in the resistance. So still it not broke. So here we have to see. So if started coming down after this definitely again the bullion will go on the upper side. Now gold and silver coming a bit down because of this upside movement. So one thing you have to keep remember, so dollar index alone is not deciding factor of gold and silver move. This is one of the factor, that's it. It's not the only factor. That also we have to keep in mind. So now we'll go to the gold. So this is a MCX chart, and this one is a global contract. So if you see the MCX chart, day for yesterday, it not breakout, it break jump the price, and from there it has keep coming down. So it has to stop actually in the channel support, but it's quite breaking the downside. So how it made in the upper side, similarly it made in the downside. So still we cannot take it as a trend reversal. Because if you see the MACD, it is still in the bullish zone, and if you see the RSI exactly at 50 mark. So it's quite confusing state. So don't take any position until you'll get the confirmation. That would be good. So whether we are trading or not, we should not lose the money. So with that respect, if we are not trading, that is well and good. So just keep observer until you get the clear confirmation. The similar thing if you see in the global contract as well. So still it is not confirmation, but it's about to break the zero line in the MACD and RSI also. So this is about 4 hours chart. If we see the weekly chart, we will get some more confirmation. So we will see the weekly chart. And if you see the weekly chart of a global contract, it exactly it has the resistance, I mean psychological resistance, and already we keep said that 2100 would be the resistance. So exactly it came there, and it came there, and it is coming down. So this is it, not actually it traveled there, it is a jump actually. So if it travel in the sense, it has to break and reach by trading movement, but it is the Monday morning, it had open a gap, not break gap up, it is a gap jump, we can say. From there it is coming down. So there are possibilities again this may break and go upside. So that when it may happen is probably if the dollar starts coming down. again it will go upside. So that time the resistance would be this high, 2150 would be the resistance. So this is the probability. So there is no confirmation yet, we didn't see any confirmation in the chart. So that is most important thing. So if we see similarly in our MCX chart, MCX gold, the same thing. So it is in the exactly the resistance level, so little below the resistance level. So we have to wait and then take the position. So this is about gold. Next we will see silver. Yeah. So if you see the silver, this is MCX chart, and it has traveled, it is in the upper side, and it may be a mean reversion. So there is no still confirmation, but if you say it's very much close to the industry, because it's near to the zero line and almost at a 50 level mark RSI also. So it is in the indecisive state. And if you see the global contact, it shows a bit of bearishness, but still we have to get a strong confirmation. So for that we will check the weekly chart. So after the resistance, it is coming now. So it has to break this candle in the downside, the previous low. So the previous low it has to break. Just a moment, we will see the what is the previous level. Yes. So it has a 24.32, it has to break and have a close before less than this day. So now it is 24.59, but what it has to break, 24.32. So it has to break, then only we can say it is in downtrend. So similarly, if you see in the MCX chart, so it has to have a closure of this low. So here not showing that, we make it. So this low or also this high we can take, and it has to touch at least. So with that respect, 74,000 it has to come. So it has to break, then only the downtrend starts. So until then we can expect in the upside moment only, but this is on the weekly chart. But for trading purpose, we have to follow the 4 hours chart. So still there is no confirmation in the downside, even in the upper side. So wait and have the position. So this is about silver. Sorry, this is about the silver. So we keep saying that there is an index, how Nifty is there for equity. Similarly, for bullion, gold and silver, there is an index called Bulldex, that is bullion index. So that will give a collective picture of gold and silver movement. So that we will see now. So left side is the weekly chart and the right side is the 4 hours chart. So still it is like a mean reversion only in the upside, but it is the mean reversion kind, and there is no confirmation in the downside. So the point, everything what it says is it is in the indecisive, gold and silver. So once get the confirmation, you can take the position. The probabilities what the chart indicating is there is chances it again turn in the upper side. Okay, now we will see crude oil. So we keep saying that 6,500 and 6,000 would be the support. So it is traveling down towards to 6,000. So once it touches the 6,000, then you can take the long position. Until then, wait. Similarly, same thing is confirming here. So if you see the weekly chart, we'll still precisely say that what would be the range. And if you see in the dollar terms, it is 32.39, but the strong resistance will be at 70. So it looks as moving towards $70. So if 70 it comes in MCX, it would be 168, that is 170. Sorry, just a minute. So if it comes to 70, so in MCX it would be the price we can expect 5,880, that is 5,900 we can expect. So that's why after getting the upside reversal, then you take the long position. Until then, if you are holding a short position, hold it, but don't take any long position right now. Let it touch that and get the confirmation. So this is what our weekly chart also confirms us. So still it has to come down, it has to touch the support. Now we'll see natural gas. First we will see the 4 hours chart. No. So if you see the 4 hour chart, it exactly in the channel, sorry, but it is in the support level, so it has to turn down. So still the confirmation has not come, and if you see the global contact, it is so far it is travel in the channel, but now it's break the channel, it forms this. If you see this sub channel, it indicates further downside movement is still exist. So that we have to keep in mind. If you see the weekly chart, you will get the further confirmation. So if you see the weekly chart, it is a bit, it has come down. So if it quite well confirms, then the target would be around $2 in global contact. If it is a $2, we can expect even 170 we can expect in MCX. And if you see the MCX, so it is exactly at support. So if it breaks, it comes to this level, that is again 160, 170, that range it will come. So this is about natural gas. I hope this video was very informative to you. If you want any some other information, let me know. That also will address in the next video mentioned in comments box. So wish you all the best. Do well. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.